I go to work. I go to work. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I send emails. I send emails. I greet my coworkers. I greet my coworkers. I check my emails. I check my emails. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting. I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls. I talk with clients. I talk with clients. I write reports. I write reports.